Mark Dashner from Kirkville Locomotive Works, doing a quick overview on how the tri-mount trucks are assembled. Basically, what I provide are two side frames, the adapter piece, and the mounting piece. You provide your motor block. The motor block you will have to cut off on this end, cut flush with the end. That will make this a dummy. And what you're going to use, what this is going to use is this square piece and this screw hole, and that is going to line up with this and this. I'm actually going to take out these holes here. They're not used anymore. So once that gets attached onto here, you'll put a screw into here, and that will secure this to this. When you are done with that, you'll slide that onto there. You can either glue it, or you can take this cover off, line up this piece with this piece, and then drill through and utilize these screws here. Just drop in a longer screw, and that will take care of that. Before you do the final on the top, this adapter piece, glue it down and then screw it down with those screws here and here. On the diesel hydraulic, the longer wheelbase portion goes forward. On everything else that ALCO did, the short distance, this distance here, is forward. So the diesel hydraulic is the only one that's backwards. And then the side frames go on. You'll need to drill a hole into this spot here, and then attach the side frame on to the motor block, and that will give you ALCO tri-mount trucks. Thanks for watching.